Today I have for you this 2-drawer metal locking file cabinet. This does come that you need to assemble this, but the directions are very clear. So the assembly together does go pretty easily, and I will give you a closer look here, but everything went together really well. And then the locking locks both top and bottom drawer. They do give you a set of 3 keys with this. So some tips on assembly, they do recommend that to use an electric screwdriver or a drill. I also recommend that. It will make the process go quicker. I started using the included screwdriver that came with the cabinet, but I did find that the drill was much easier to use and sped up my process. So overall, if I didn't have such a slow start using the screwdriver, it took me like an hour to put this together. So everything is pretty standard though, and easy to put together, and easy to understand instructions, give you a couple of extra screws. And one thing they also include with a file cabinet is an anchoring kit for the wall. So those instructions are in the book on how to install that anchoring kit and how to attach it to the wall. But let's take a closer look just at the inside of the drawers and the file cabinet overall. So here we have a close-up look of the filing cabinet. Let me open each drawer for you. They do provide the rails here, so you can do the hanging file folders. And then, like I said, the bottom drawer here, that's where the lock is. And then that is going to lock both the drawers. And I can show you how that works. So you're going to put your key in there, you turn that, and then that little lever pops up there. So down and up. So really nice, sturdy file cabinet, easy to assemble, and really looks sharp.